Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably wanna know how to use Beacons.AI to sell digital products. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, type Beacons.AI into your browser. Click Get Started for free. You can opt for paid plans later, but everything in this tutorial will use the free plan. Now enter a unique username for your Beacons landing page. For this video, I will use knowledge base tutorial YT, but feel free to choose something shorter and creative. Sign up using your email address. You will be prompted to add your social media accounts. This will add social media icons to your landing page, but you can skip this step and add them later. For now, I will add my Instagram. Now you will be asked about your content. Add tags like YouTube and short. Write a brief bio, example, mastering passive income with YouTube. Beacons will create a landing page based on your inputs. Now skip through these upsells or domain offers. Once on your dashboard, go to Store on the left side and click Get Started. Click Create a digital product or Add product to start. Go to Design to choose layouts and colors. Adjust fonts and make your page visually appealing. Now enter the product title, for example, YouTube search-based method. Edit the description to include details about your product. You can format the text, add images and make it engaging. Now set the price for your product, for example, $197. You can also enable features like pay what you want, sales and payment plans if available. Upload image to showcase your product. You can use the AI tool for image generation or upload on your own. Go to product files and upload your digital product. For this example, I am uploading a test PDF file. You can limit the number of products sold, customize email receipts, and adjust other settings. Now click Publish to make your product live. To your profile icon at the bottom, then account settings and payments. Connect PayPal and Skype to receive payments. Share your product, click the three dots and copy the URL. This link will take user directly to your product page. That's pretty much all about how you can use Beacons.AI to sell digital products. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.